What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video my goal is to clean, paint some of them and fix some of smaller parts of my B20 engine. So first we will check what parts I have here on the table and then I will tell you more about my plans. Yes, I have a few pieces here on the table. Oil pan. First I will clean that and check if needs new paint. I don't know yet. It might be in a good well, no, yes, I will probably repaint it, but we will see that later. Then I have the flywheel cover and other covers, oil pump, water pump, crankshaft pulley and this breather. So there's a lot of things to first clean and then maybe repaint. For example, water pump and the pipes. I have packed and tagged almost everything except these 3 but I think there is 8 bolts, so I think these are from the flywheel. At least they look just like the flywheel bolts, but these 2 I don't have a clue. Maybe from the clutch, but I will figure out that later. But next I will clean the oil pan. The parts were quite dirty. There was a lot oil and sand, so you can see there's a lot of junk. But after that pre-cleaning, I used my drill and that brush, and I think I managed to get these parts quite clean. Oil pan ready for sanding and new paint. This breather needs sanding too and new paint, and the pulley of the crankshaft, I managed to get it quite clean, as the washer too. So just a little bit sanding and new paint, then it will look like new. Water pump, I'm just thinking should I buy a new one, but this should work still quite well, so I probably just clean them a little bit more and sand these pipes and paint them. This is the water pump pulley and few covers. The flywheel cover, it's also quite clean already. And the crankshaft cover also ready to assembly. Next I just have to clean the oil pump. But all the parts are ready for next stage. Yes, I just received a new calendar for this year. This is the Volvo Club of Finland. I have already 2 older calendars, so it was December, so that was nice to receive a new one. There's quite nice pictures here, as you can see, V8. Then we have, well, I don't recognize this new model as good as I should. Is this V70 or 700 series, maybe V70. Oh yes, this is more like my picture, 200 series and Volvo in sports. Oh yes, 142. Yes, with a great color. What would you say? A nice picture too. This is from a club event, which I don't know what event was that. Amazon. Another one. And 240. Nice picture, nice car. Amazon. This is traditional Finnish landscape, birch and gravel road, and grass in the middle. just like mine road. But this 900 series. Well, you can tell me. 240. Nice wheels. And the last one, PV544. This is one of my favorite cars. Yes, great calendar. Yes, now I have painted these parts once, and now I will let it dry for 24 hours, and tomorrow I will paint them the second time. I used normal brush because this is not a show car. You can see the paint is not perfect, but this is not a show car, so that it doesn't matter. Pulleys here, and the heater's pipe, and the water pump. I decided to give this second chance, this pump. It seems to be all right, so I just clean it properly and repaint it. Now the oil pan is good enough for me. You can see there's some stripes or marks on the pan, but it's good enough for me for this project. And the water pump came also quite nice. Now I have painted these twice. If I would do the third time, it would do a little bit better this result, but I think this 2-layer paint is enough for me. So those are ready. Like these parts also, breather and oil stick, it became quite nice. Okay, there's some paint, you can see drop there. I just have to water sand it away, no problem. And cover and those pipes and that pulley came out nice. So I just have to let them dry for 24 hours and then I can touch them again. My plan for the next engine video is about these gaskets, because I have this gasket set here. So in the next video, in the next engine video, I probably will check the gaskets and check what gaskets I can change already. For example, this one, I think it's this, and this goes there, I believe. But as you can see, I'm not so sure yet, because this is my first time doing this kind of big engine project, so I'm just learning and learning by doing. Yes, but hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, that would be great. And by the way, the parts for my air compressor are on their way back here to Finland. And after I finished my air compressor, I will do a video about porting the Volvo's cylinder head. That's also first time ever. So that will be a huge adventure. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away. And remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.